Welcome back, YouTube. Today is day 958 of the apocalypse. I don't mean to make light of it, but you know, people can't go outside and it's pretty rough for folks in cities. I was having a discussion with a friend who lives in a city when I once said I found it odd that people live stacked on top of each other. It just felt unnatural and weird, and they kind of laughed and said that's all they ever knew. And well, I grew up in the country, more country than this, so times like this when it's you can't go outside, you can't leave your own property and you're quarantined, at least here I can stroll around. I'm not making a value judgment against other people and how they want to live their life, but days like today make me happy that all the work and effort that I put into this place and kind of being away from all that madness, it's what I like and prefer. And today it's nice, I can get out and get some exercise. It was pouring rain earlier, but you know, let up a little bit. I figured I could split all this wood. I got a new splitting maul this winter that I finally got a chance to come out here and use and get rid of this just piles of stuff I've had stacked up for 3 years from clearing this property. I also started planting a few fruit trees yesterday. It wasn't raining yesterday, it was quite nice. Put in like this apple over here, brand new variety. I've got about 50 new trees I put in, so I'm not going to name them all. At some point I'll come back and do a video with everything when it's in bloom. Maybe it'll be horrendously long, but it's one of the new ones. Got her in there, got a cage made to prevent the deer. Also, news on the homestead, I am putting around an extra 2 strands of electric fence wire on the entire perimeter of the property. I've already sunk all the hooks for the wire, or the insulators for the wire. I just have to buy more wire, but you can't buy anything right now because everything's back ordered, because guess what? Everything's made in China. Anyway, so I've got it ready. There will be 1 more strand along this line that I have yet to run. I've already done all 5 strands or 6 strands, whatever it is I'm up to now, along the north part of the property. I still have to do the east, that'll be the last part on my neighbor's side, and then I've already set the insulators, like I said, for the south side, but I have to run the wire still. Anyway, that's kind of what's going on here. Planting trees, I've got a ton of them to put in. I've healed a bunch in because they came, you know, at a terrible time when I can't get topsoil and things like that delivered, so I'll have to just make do with what I got. I hope you guys are all being safe and doing something. If you can't get out of your apartment, if you live in the city or something, you know, try to do some exercise, try to work on a hobby or craft, or make something by hand. It might help you feel better. I know everybody's kind of stressed out, but you gotta just do something, be productive. Think about what your grandparents would have done in this situation, because they probably lived through something like this at some point, and you make the best of it. So do what you can, help out your neighbors, be friendly, and stay safe, everybody.